Before we start setting anything up, we want to make sure that everything's in the box and that the SBA is compatible with everything in our setup. As far as contents, it's really simple. The SBA comes with a wrench, a set of instructions, and then the SBA itself, which, as you can see, comes pre-attached to one of our standard mounting blocks. The first thing you're going to need to do is prepare the softbox that you wish to mount onto your SBA. To do this, you'll need the wrench. Make sure your softbox is fully collapsed and peel back some of the black fabric around the speed ring in order to locate the 4 rods that attach the base of the speed ring to the frame of your softbox. As you would expect, you'll notice that each rod has 2 nuts, one on the inside and one on the outside. Using your wrench, you'll need to loosen each of the inside nuts first. I say loosen because from the inside you'll be turning to the left. But don't be alarmed when you hit a stopping point, because from the outside you're actually tightening the inside nut to the end of the threading on the rod, which is what you want to do. The goal here is to give the outside as much threading as possible, and this will make more sense when we attach the SBA. Next, you'll want to remove the 4 corresponding nuts on the outside of the speed ring, along with their washers, which the inside nuts don't have. Now keep all of this close to you because we're going to be putting them back on shortly. Now that you've freed up all 4 rods, press the speed ring toward the softbox in order to expose that extra threading to the outside, and now it's time to attach the SBA. With the mounting block side of the SBA facing the outside of the speed ring, line up the 4 small holes that are on the inside of the SBA to the rods that you just freed up and feed them through those holes. Then replace the 4 washers and reattach the 4 nuts to those 4 rods, securing the SBA to your softbox. Now you can assemble your softbox and mount it to your light stand using the mounting block on the SBA as you normally would with the mounting block on your flash unit. Then, with your flash unit turned off and unplugged, go ahead and mount it to the modifier as you normally would mount the modifier to your flash unit, making sure that all 4 of the fingers are inside before releasing. You're basically turning your light stand into a modifier stand, and the SBA is supporting your light. This is extremely important to remember when you're removing your light from the SBA. As nothing is supporting it, you will need to support the light to ensure its safe removal.